So good morning guys, and the time is 5:52. So now I'm going to Matunga. So I have 2 hours to go there because at 7:30 I have a class. Now I think technically I have a 1.5 hour. So I have to reach there in 1.5 hour Matunga, which is around 26-27 kilometers. So let's see I can make it or no. See you on road. Oh. So it's cold and actually it's fun to ride in this weather. Too much noise. I'm so much excited about today's ride. I couldn't sleep whole night. I mean, I slept but I was so excited I couldn't sleep properly. So I hope that thing will not become a trouble for me throughout the day. So I'm all geared up for this amazing ride. So today's ride is going to be from Matunga to Juhu and then back home, which is in Airoli. So let me focus on ride now, so I'll keep my phone inside. I'll stop recording. It's almost an hour and I have covered 20 kilometers. Now I'm in Chembur. So I wanted to take this flyover, but in the beginning of flyover, little confusion happened. The bus driver, he wanted to take a left, so because of that, I couldn't take a flyover. It's fun. I've reached to Sion. You can see here Sion petrol pump. This is the place where I usually fill up my motorcycle tank. So sorry guys, today no petrol. But today I need a lot of carbs to function. Trying to find a place where I can eat good carbs. And I'm done with 24 kilometers guys in 1 hour, I think 15 minutes, which I find pretty good on the skate cycle. And now finally something went wrong and I need to fix this now. So finally I'm in Matunga Fire Garden. So I made, guys, I'll tell you in some time how many kilometers I've covered and how much time it took. So I have a class now. And I'm going to pause my Strava app, otherwise unnecessary the time will be running and I'll not get the actual running time, I mean moving time. So I'll call my student, I'll sit somewhere, I'll find a place, I'll drink water. I have nothing to eat now, but I'm not hungry yet. I'll find a place to eat also, or I'll get something to eat. So I'll finish my class. I have 2 classes now, one is online, one is offline. I'll get free by around 10:30, then I have to head towards Juhu. So I'll keep updating, stay tuned. I need water now. So right now I'm in Fire Garden. I think I need to reduce the brightness. I think this is correct. Okay. So you can see behind me a beautiful garden, very green, very refreshing. And now I'm going to do a video call to my client, my student, and after that I have to go to the building which is right behind me. I don't know You can see little park. So there I have to go. So I have paused my Strava app. Uh, so far I'm done with 27 kilometers in 1 hour 25 minutes, which is pretty good. And like I told you, Sunday only I did a 45 kilometers ride and it was amazing. I was dying while riding because it was a long break. I mean, I think after a month I was riding, but luckily I didn't get any soreness, so that gave me a confidence to ride again. So today's Tuesday, so just one day break of Monday, and feeling very amazing. 7 people, those who are exercising, you can see. And it's the morning. All the fitness enthusiasts out here. So I think in a few minutes my student will call, so I'll see you at 10:30. Now I have to drink water. Because of this chain mishap, you can see my hands are dirty. So I have this, the brother or sister of this WD-40 called Genic 40. So I'll just apply this, which will help me to remove the grease from my hands, from both the hands. And I have a tissue paper with me. Yes, you can see it's gone. Little bit is left. That will also go over here also. I can see here. Oh, it's not going only. Little tough to go, but yeah, almost 80% gone. Gone, right? Little nail. It's fine. So guys, I'm done with my online class. Now I have a class there. So I'll get free by 10:30 and then I'll head towards Juhu. And I think it's going to be tough because in the morning it was a straight road and no traffic, no signals. So I managed to cover good distance in less time. But I think after 10:30 is going to be difficult. And towards Juhu, I'm going to get traffic. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned and see what I'm going to face. So guys, I'm done with my Matunga class and now I'm going to Juhu, which is around 12 kilometers. Now only one problem is traffic. Hope my tiny cycle will find its way. Now I'm at Western Expressway and I have crossed Bandra. Soon I'll be reaching Santa Cruz and then Juhu. I'm getting difficulty to ride in a traffic because I'm not used to riding the bicycle in the traffic. I need to learn a lot so I can cut the traffic easily. Otherwise, it will take time. And if today's ride will be successful, then I'm going to do this kind of rides often in my daily routine, and I'm going to tell you why I'm making this video in the end of the video. What is the purpose of making this video? Okay, so now I need to focus on riding, so I'll stop recording now. I need to cover a lot of distance. I don't know how much distance I've covered since I left Matunga. reach Juhu. In 2 minutes I'll tell you how much kilometers I've covered. But before that, buy something to eat. To my left there is a shop. I'll buy something from here now. So guys, I've reached here. सुबह से मैंने कर ली 39 kilometers. I got something to eat. So I spent 90 rupees for Gatorade, 1 packet of dhokla and 2 chocolate bars. So I'll eat now. Little hungry. Check how many kilometers I've done so far. My throat was dry, so I had to drink water. I should drink water. So here you can see such a beautiful view. I'm not going to stop because I have to record the exact time. So let's ride. So guys, I'm back to Eastern Express Highway and I'm a little thirsty or hungry, whatever it is. So now I'm having this faluda here. So I'm done with 53 kilometers and I think 15 kilometers more left. It was amazing ride. I think I'm running out of carbs, so it's quite difficult to think and speak. So today's total expenditure I'll inform. So far I spent only 90 rupees for dhokla and Gatorade and what was that? Some chocolate cake. It was 90 rupees and this faluda is for 60 rupees. So let me finish this faluda first, then I'll talk to you guys. Guys, I'm having this faluda, very yummy. This is my second faluda. Riding on this highway is never an issue. But now I'll take a service road. So morning ride was a bliss, but now it's really a hell. There are many aspects which can slow you down. The first one is traffic. Look at the nadi. Well, it's not nadi, okay, it's Nala of Mumbai. So the first thing is traffic, which can slow you down. And second is heat. These two are major aspects which can slow you down. Now in few minutes I'll be crossing Airoli toll Naka. That small road. I think in 15-20 minutes I'll reach home. So guys, I'm done with 63 kilometers so far. And just left and back to same place, Airoli station at this side, my left, this side. I hope guys you like my journey. Subscribe my channel to motivate me to make such videos. So that's it for now guys. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, ride safe.